Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing episode 1 of a new series that I'm starting. It's called Get This Off My Wheels. So as long-term viewers of this channel would know, I do have residue on my wheels, my black wheels. I can't seem to get it off, unfortunately, and get the gloss back in the wheels. But so I'm relying on you guys, the brains trust of my audience, to help me out and give me some suggestions about what I should do to fix these wheels. So as you can see, there was it's not very nice. So the first entry comes in from a long-term viewer of the channel and a good friend of the channel, Ian P. So Ian said, use merch grime off, and then follow it with a water spot remover, and then hit it again with an iron remover. So let's try this one first. So first things first is the merch grime off. So as you can see, I'm just agitating it into the wheel at the moment. It is a very strong, I guess, wheel cleaner. So I've just agitated that, now hitting it with the water spot remover, and I'm using Car Pro Spotless for the water spot remover, and again just going to agitate that one through. I intend on making this series up until the wheel gets its gloss back, so please leave your entries if you do have any suggestions down below. Leave a comment, and I'm sure we'll get round to it and use it for a remedy to help get my wheels to normal. I believe that it came out, I bought the car like this. I don't think it built up over time. As you can see, I'm using the iron remover now, so I'm using Car Pro Iron X for the iron remover. So it did come out like this. It's not a build-up of brake dust or anything like that. I'm actually not too sure what it is, to be honest. But yeah, unfortunately, it's on my wheels. So ideally, as I said, if you do have remedies, or you do want to, or you do think you have a fix, please leave a comment below, and I'm sure you'll be featured on the series. So now just rinsing off rinsing off the water spot remover, the grime off, and the Iron X, and basically just going to dry the wheel now. So just finished drying the wheel. So we're gonna see basically what it looks like now, see if that remedy worked. All right, so let's have a look at the wheel now. So it did a good job. It's still, whatever it is, it's still there, unfortunately. But it did it's honestly better than what I was anticipating. So it actually did a really good job. So thanks for the suggestion, Ian. Unfortunately, it is still there, as you can see. But yeah, no, I appreciate the suggestion. But yeah, look, as I said, if you do have any suggestions, please leave them down below. And as I said, we will feature it on the channel. If you're not comfortable with your name being put forward, just let me know and I will edit it out. Thanks for watching. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe, or watch another one of my videos. Thanks again.